Hello everyone, my name is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about comments in batch scripting. Comments is nothing but it is normally used to explain your source code. For example, when other developer reads your code, they need to understand. For example, when you write a large source code, it is a best practice to comment your source code. For example, I'm going to type a command here. In order to write command in bash scripting, you need to use a keyword called rem. Then you can write your command. This is a numerical variable. Why command is useful? For example, like I said before, command is useful to read your code effectively. If you write commands, if you write commands for your codes, when other developer reads your code, they can understand what have you done. Like that command is used for explanatory purpose, and they can be also used to hide your source code or make your source code not to run. So if you type rem, what will happen? This line of code will never execute because the batch interpreter, the CMT, will treat this line of code as a command, not as an instruction. So there are two purposes that we use commands. One is to explain your code. Why do we need to explain your code? For example, if you write a code today, you will definitely forget. When you open your code after 1 year, you will be facing many problems. So in order to avoid those problems, it is a better idea to describe your code like this. So this is the only one reason we write code commands, and it is also useful for other developers. If you work in a collaborative environment with many developers, it is a best practice to write commands like this. And the other usage of command is to mute the code execution. For example, if I type rem before this code, this line of code will be treated as a command. So that's it, guys. That's all about commands. In upcoming videos, we will learn more about batch scripting. So thank you for watching this video.